Welcome to the Queen's Court. Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, I am grateful, and I am blessed to be alive. Today we will be making a topiary pumpkin topiary tree. Okay? So we have this orange. We're going to be using a tan and like that plum color that they had at the Dollar Tree. All these are from Dollar Tree. And this was an old plant that I had that I was, I had another stem in there. And I'm going to use it to create this topiary pumpkin. So yeah, deciding on where we want the pumpkins at. On this channel, I do DIYs, I do thrifting, I do Dollar Tree hauls, and I also do decorating and room tours, okay? And a little bit of everything. I also do cooking here every now and again. And if that's something that you would like, I appreciate if you subscribe to the Queen's Court. I'd love to have you. Click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Alright. So here we have our other pumpkin on here. We're trying to see exactly where we want to put it. This was so much fun. This was so much fun. Here. It's basically trying to see exactly where I want to. Yeah, okay, I changed to the plum color one. Those plum colored pumpkins were so beautiful. Just wish I would have picked up a little bit more. But I did have a lot of these from last year, like the orange and that beige color one that's sitting on the table, and that tan one up there. I did have those from last year. So yeah, but I just love the way that Dollar Tree put the stem. They used a different color, a different stem this year, which really took those pumpkins to another level, which I really enjoyed. And there we are, trying to see where we want to place the other one. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps my channel out a lot. It helps me out a lot. If you enjoy DIYs, please check out my playlist. I have all sorts of DIYs in that playlist. TQC DIY. Okay? And that's the Queen's Court DIY. We're going to place another pumpkin up top there. I think we're going to go with the orange. But we're trying to place some of these flowers. Oh yeah, putting the greenery on here. I do apologize, y'all, that the camera was out of reach of the top pumpkin there, but you'll see it in a few minutes. I'm working on my editing skills, and yeah, I'm enjoying that, learning how to edit. I am self-teaching myself here. Yes. That pumpkin's gonna fall right on off of there, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna glue it right back up here. If anybody has seen those white ceramic pumpkins with the lid to them at the Dollar Tree, please let me know. Oh! Yes! That pumpkin flew right off of there, y'all. Hey. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah. World of DIY. Crafting. I was checking to see if the camera's still on. Trying to decide what flowers I want to put in here and how I want to put them. I have this big old bushel of flowers that I got on clearance last Christmas, they still, that was the only one that they had of fall. So I was like, oh, I'll take it. I think I paid like $1 for it, $1.25 or something like that. I think it was regular $4.99 or something like that. That was a big bushel of flowers, and I love those flowers. They look so nice and rich. I put those two sunflowers on there because I was going to use that for another arrangement, but yeah, those two sunflowers I put on there. So here I am placing the flowers on the other side, and I didn't want to glue them in. But you can glue them in. You can even use those glue dots. Yeah, you can use glue dots when you don't want something permanently, or you don't want to use glue, hot glue. So yeah. So I decided to take some of this here fall leaves. They so pretty. It got like little glitter on the edges of the leaves. And they are so pretty. How many of you all are getting ready for the fall and decorating? Please comment down below if you're getting ready for the fall. If you're doing fall DIYs, please let me know. And what I did was I curved that stem. Just like I said, I did not want to use any glue. So I curved that stem and putting it around the stem that's in the middle. That makes sense. Okay? And this is the back that's showing right there. I'm working on the front. That flew right on out. So you have to really place them in there where they won't fall out. Okay, I think we got that pretty much secure in there. Now we're going to use use this other flower and put in the back. Okay, those sunflowers are so pretty. And I love the color too. So pretty. Now let's keep these states that are suffering with these hurricanes and all. Please keep them in mind and in your prayers. Let me know if you are enjoying the video and if this will be something that you would make. This will be used in one of my collaborations that I'll be participating in. That's the back. Sticking those fall leaves in. And we're going to stick a few more other things in here. We're going to go down at the bottom and put some of those leaves in as well. And we're going to stick this, I think, like up at the top. Because at the top it's like, I want it to be like a branch. So it's going to look like a little branch up at the top. Cutting off this here piece of what is that? I'm not sure what that is. I can't remember the name of it. But yeah. I'm gonna stick that in there and hoping none of them pumpkins fall down. Okay. Now we're going to put some of these down at the bottom. You know, you can create this here pumpkin topiary any kind of way you want. I left the stems brown, and the only one that's like, you know, needed in the gold a little bit is the one from this year. Okay. So here we are, still working on it. I'm going to get these angles right, y'all. One day I'm going to get it right. I really want to learn how to do the overhead. I've been trying some different things and, you know, trying to get that overhead for certain DIYs. Hope you're liking the video. Please give me a thumbs up. we're going to put one more piece of leaf. I'm trying to find that right leaf to put there. I don't want it real long, but just enough where it's draping a little. Here we're cutting off another piece. Still trying to place this here beautiful leaves in here. I'm going to show you the back. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I'd love to have you. Also, click that on notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Isn't she beautiful? Just different, but she's beautiful. And I absolutely love this creation. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until the next video. Please let me know how you enjoyed the video and how you enjoyed this topiary pumpkin tree. Alright? Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Love you all. Love you all so much. Please let's remember to pray for one another.